my new laptop. So I can edit on my newer laptop. This is my iPad. Okay. Butterfly Lucky iPad. Now I have a bigger laptop. Ooh, so pretty. Good